Hey cutie patooties, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome or welcome back, good night, wherever you are in the world. So cuties, we have some PR from Rosalind today. I chose these gel liners because I really wanted to test out their gel liners and see what they was hitting for. And y'all, I'm excited about this box because I am pleasantly surprised. Now, while I fiddle faddle with this plastic and get this box out of there, y'all, stay tuned for my upcoming vlog. I have some news to share with y'all, some exciting news. I hope you guys won't be too mad, or too sad, or too happy, whichever one. But I have some stuff to share with you guys. So this is how everything looks. They're very tiny jars, but they're so cute. And the variety of colors are perfect for me. I gotta look and see if they have one with like more reds and golds and stuff like that. But let's open up this blue, very gorgeous blue, and the bristles are so super fine and thin, and I like it, and they feel very soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unpack the rest of these from this little container, and we're gonna go ahead and apply these gel liners to two of our swatch sticks. I'm gonna do one black and one white so we can kind of see, you know, how the colors look against them. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for more. I really am not gonna talk a lot. Well, I may end up talking a lot in this voiceover, but y'all, I'm a little sad, but it's okay. It's okay. And you guys will find out why coming up soon. So I went ahead and pre-prepped this swatch stick with some black gel polish. And these are Rosalind's painting gel liner brushes. They glide on so smoothly, so smoothly on these nails, y'all. I only applied the gel polish. I didn't put any top coat, any matte top coat, none of that. These went on so smooth. All I did was just wipe off the tacky layer after curing it, and however much you want on your brush, this is just gonna be perfect. I was a little bit shaky right here, but these liners are gonna be perfect because they're not really super long and super bulky. You can get the line as thick or as thin as you would like it, and I'm just pretty much showing you guys this on the nails. Rosalind, I'm sorry if you guys wanted me to do this on my nails, but as you guys can tell, my nails were already done and I didn't have any time. Like I told y'all most recently, like I was running out of time. I literally ran out of time. I did this video Sunday night. I had all intentions to do this video on Saturday, but other family things came up and I ran out of time. And then I was up pretty early Monday morning. So yeah, I'm sorry cuties. I know this video is not like my normal videos, but I literally ran out of time. I've got so much going on right now. My focus is literally elsewhere, but I did want to get this voiceover finished for you guys. So I really like these gel liners. They're definitely absolutely worth it. The colors are very pigmented. The gel polish in it is very creamy, rich and creamy. I'm gonna just mimic some dots like you would use your dotting tool here. These brushes are perfect for that. You may not get that symmetrical shape with doing your dots like this, but it is possible. You guys can see my second attempt here. It was possible. And these, I cannot say anything bad about these liners. They're super pigmented. Very nice and creamy, awesome formula. And I will definitely be looking out to see if they have a package with more reds and golds and greens and things like that, so that way I can purchase those, because these liners are perfect. Definitely perfect for a beginner like me or even a pro. They're really great. Often when you get the liner I said I wasn't going to talk the whole time, and look at me talking the whole time. But often when you get liner brushes, the bristles are pretty thick and just awkward to work with. But these bristles, they're perfect. They're spot on for me, at least. They remind me a lot of my Nail House bristles and my Robin Moses bristles on the liner brushes that I have. I'm going to try to do a little butterfly here and see how that works out for me. And you guys, I'm a spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. It worked out really good. It worked out really, really good. My hands are very shaky. I got some bad nerves, y'all. But I was able to create a cute little half butterfly on this nail with these bristles. Something I would not normally be able to do with other liner gels, you know, liner bristles that I have on like gel liners. These are I don't want to say they're perfect, but they're close to it. They are close to it. So if you're looking for some cute little bottles that isn't going to take up a lot of space on your polish rack, and a variety of colors, deep, rich, pigmented colors, if you're wanting to do art like this, definitely check out Rosalind. Make sure you look in the description box for my code and my link to these liner brushes, these gel liners, and you guys will not be disappointed. I'm gonna go ahead here on this side of the nail and create the infamous flower that everyone has been doing lately, the hibiscus flower. I'm gonna go ahead and create one of those as well, and you guys will see how easily I was able to create that hibiscus flower with these liner brushes. These brushes are just, they're perfect. I'm sorry, they're perfect. They are perfect. They're not like any other liner brushes that I have tried, gel liners that I've tried. I am absolutely pleasantly surprised with these, and thank you, Rosalind, for sending me this. Again, I do apologize that I was not able to create any art on my actual hands or my practice hand because I ran out of time, but I just wanted to make sure that I did at least demo the product for my cuties to be able to see that this product is definitely worth it. The bottles are small, but they're compact, and I love compact things that aren't going to take up a ton of space in my nail room. So if you're into that, these are definitely for you. Now, cutie patooties, I know I sound crazy. Y'all. I've been up since like 4 this morning. Things are hitting me hard, y'all. But it's gonna be okay. We gonna get through it. I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna share with you guys pretty soon. I just really don't have the time right now to make that video because I am ripping and running, but I hope that everyone is doing well. I really hope and pray that everyone's family is doing great. Remember, God is the key to all things. Again, I'm not trying to push my religion on you guys, my beliefs on you guys. But if you believe in God, know that He is the key to all things. Put Him first in everything that you do. Everything that you do. Stand strong in your faith. Continue to have faith. He will not leave you nor forsake you. You will get through whatever it is you're going through in your season. And even if life is great for you, continue to glorify Him and give Him the praise that He deserves. Know that I truly do love each and every one of you. And I'm always praying for you guys, okay? Don't you ever forget that. So I'm going to continue to do this flower. I'm going to stop talking for a second and let y'all watch, and I'll be back. y'all see I'm pretty much deciding what I'm gonna do to kind of spruce this nail up a little bit. You guys, again, I do apologize for the poor quality of videos you guys have been getting lately. It wasn't just for putting out content's sake, but you know, I just really had to get my reviews and demos completed, and you know, I just didn't want to leave y'all hanging, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you are looking for some great liner brushes, I will recommend these. I really do recommend these. I had some other ones that I showed you guys that I got from Temu. They're great, but they ain't touching these. And they aren't. They really aren't. So if y'all are looking for it, I don't get any commission or anything like that from Rosalind. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. These are definitely worth it. Now I'm just gonna use my 8-in-1 gel as a top coat on these, and I'm gonna cure them for a full 60 seconds, and I'll be back. And there you have it, cutie patooties. Again, please do not forget that I love y'all oh so very much. I enjoyed talking with y'all for a little bit today, and I will most definitely talk to you guys in my next one. But remember, most importantly, God loves you all. Bye.